Hello you lovely people, and welcome back to a new adventure. We are in the Lake District, so stay tuned to see what we get up to. It's Friday, 8 o'clock, not of the AM, of the bloody PM. Finished work, the main man Adam.
Go on the boys, here we go.
Picked us up, drove us to the lakes. Let's go and do a fell and a camp. So I'm out with Adam. We have a sneaking suspicion there's going to be an 8-foot bald-headed, sexy Cumbrian Yeti at the top here, and we're going up to Ling Fell. Views are opening up over to other fells. Sail Fell over there somewhere. Whoa. So we're just close to the summit, and what is this fine figure of a man heading towards us? Could be a local farmer, or it could be a Yeti.
He's beautiful. He's a stunner. Hello sir! Hello love! I know you bugger! When we pulled up, I said, is it a Mazda he's got? Is it? I said, no, it's a Toyota. How are you, sir?
Wait, come here.
You alright?
Been down the Crumble Man.
You alright, brother?
I'm good, how are you boys?
You're out for an adventure?
Hey?
You're out for an adventure?
Fucking tense up there.
You're lad.
See you
I
later.
remember it straight away. Is that sail?
Done and boshed. Skidder, skid marks. Over to the Irish Sea, Workington, Whitehaven, St. Bees, all over there. A couple of weeks ago. Absolute stunning. We're in the inside my tent, so my setup tonight. I'm in the XL Jungle Blanket, Nature Hike mat, and there is the greatest pillow on YouTube, my Chuck Norris pillow. No one has a better pillow on YouTube. Scratch that, no one in the world has a better pillow than me. But that's my setup for tonight. If you know, you know. Adam is in the one-man pussycat tent.
You know what?
He's done some miles in this.
Oh, mate, I mean, look at it. This guy rope, it's all mismatching, lodged together.
And if you know, you know.
Hey, I still know, look at... I had to sort of control land that because I was going...
I think I missed that as well.
Did you miss it? Look at that, a bit like my tent. I don't know how many years I've had this. Look at it, you can still see the light bulb in it. I don't even know that's still in there. It's never squeaked, but you know what? It's been everywhere with me. This even helmet's a bit cracked, but that will never not come with me ever. Yeah, it does job this, you know. I'm gonna get balls, which you probably show in a minute. But the tent itself isn't broken, damaged in any way. It's done coast to coast, Cumbria way, West Island way, Heriot's way, 800 million wildcamps, and it's going strong. Well, best 93 quid I've ever spent years ago.
And if you're into your tent porn, this is the best tent here.
Same tent as yours, mate.
Yours is the Pro, and yours has been set up properly. I've had it, and I've done about 500-600 miles in it. I've never put it up properly yet.
But has it ever come down on you?
No, it hasn't.
Until tonight.
Paul's just cooking up his tea. Tonight's tea, I have got a couple of kebab breads. And kebab meat, and I brought garlic sauce and I've left it in the car, but it is garlic doner meat, and I can't believe I've forgot my garlic sauce. Literally nicked out the fridge from home. It's only a 20-minute walk to the car. I'll have it dry. And I've also forgot my salad. As you can tell, guy of my size eats a lot of salad, but it's not. It won't do any justice. But that is Skiddaw. Looks moody over there. I'm not sure what they are over there. But Scotland in view over there. Absolutely. Kebab meat just. I'm not gonna lie, I'm absolutely gutted I left my garlic sauce. It's probably ruined this camp for me now. I'm gonna finish cooking this. Cooking up some more. Just cooking that last bit of kebab meat up. I've got a bit left. I'm going to eat this and then I'm just going to chill with the lads. Can't have a good catch up, so I'll bring you back when I get back in my tent. Bedtime. Just have a good catch up with the lads, reminiscing about some private hikes. Bedtime, about 10 o'clock. No really rush in the morning. But yep, good to have a good catch up with the lads. It's been too long since we've had a good camp together. Right, catch you in there. Good morning, you lovely people. 7:45. Good night's sleep. Bit nippy with just the jungle blanket.
What a changing for the world.
But
I've got to say though, I'm looking forward to second breakfast.
lads are up. Hey.
The value for money in spoons is just a disgrace of a gorgeous.
Yeah, gonna start packing up.
Make it at home for that price.
That's me all packed up. All I've left is a flat bit of grass where I've had me fat ass. As usual, Adam's last one to pack up.
Oh yeah. Like Miss Daisy of camping.
Adam had snacks of golden bears last night.
Is there something there?
There's also sand in there, but they were nowhere near the beach.
Yeah, I've got sand in my shoes as well, I don't know why.
To be fair, Adam did live in Saltburn, so we'll let him off there. Paul's all packed up. Did you have golden bears last night?
Yeah, Haribo golden bears, loads of them. I was putting them all in my mouth late last night watching Netflix and we were just like falling all over my face.
I noticed he didn't ask if anyone else wanted any.
I was too busy like this. I was just going like that, handful. And they were just falling all over me. While they were watching some serious crime documentary about people being murdered in parks.
It was an early night, wasn't it? 10 o'clock.
Yeah, wasn't it?
Paul had been up here all day. We turn up at 8 and then go to bed at 10. Paul definitely got his money's worth up here. Right, thanks very much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.